I would assert, I would offer and invite. That is the first space where her feminine not be seen. The response that no, it's not gonna go that way inside of my bubble, inside of my network and my tribe. No, you ain't finna sit down at nobody's table and kick over some stuff like Jesus in the temple type stuff. We ain't finna do that. The opportunity to create inside of that conversation could look like the containment gets where they feel and bring it out. Look, you really have this quarrel about this, and I'm not going to do that because it doesn't work to blow up the whole spot on something sourced from. Now, I want you as a part of my life. And if we're going to have intentionality to something like that happens because this is a person integrated in my life. You're becoming integrated in my life, and it would naturally occur. If we have an intentional conversation other than what is the intention, you're pissed and upset about something. And I'm not going to expose that to my village. That's not even the context. We're growing, you're growing, whatever the reasoning, but leading to that level that she is gotten and seen. I get what you want, and we're not going to settle it like that. So when that level wasn't met, the fallback, okay, how do I control this? I care about you, want you around, or maybe even just the platonic stuff in the background that you're, exchange or barter, whatever. Let's just be friends. She doesn't know what to do. This is a leading conversation. She does not know how to lead this. So at that second level, for her, it's a measure back. If I can't control this, she would have just kept stepping back. That's the level that she could step back in. And from that as well, without being created, which I see that you're evaluating, looking at, and stepping into now, this is really the catch up of the whole overall, is that it gave her a bit of lead into your bubble. Had you looked at in that creation or looked for yourself why you accepted that, because inside of that lead, it had nothing for your benefit. You just said it. You want the feminine energy. You've considered a relationship for her feminine energy. If she's leading with some, I'm upset, let's just be friends. Now, of course, a man never gets friend zoned. He friend zones himself. That's the point where it took a left or is not covered inside of your containment.